Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize large folders on your HONOR Magic8 Lite. Large folders are pretty useful. You can see this is the one. And what it does, what's the advantage over small folders is that in small folders you need to always go inside, then select an app. And on the large folder, first 8 apps are available without going into the folder by just clicking on them. And then if you want to see more of those apps, just click on the last button in bottom right corner and you'll see the full folder. So that's really useful. Now, if you'd like to use a folder like so, let's say the tools, for example, I'll move them somewhere else maybe. Maybe let's do another page so we have a clean view. You can resize it like so, which is really cool. You can resize it very easily. And you can make it really large. As you can see. You can make it smaller, of course. You can elongate it. It is really cool. But you can also just press and hold and shrink like so, or enlarge like so. Now I'll resize it. What you can do besides that is press and hold and rename, and that's basically it. But I think there's no other phone that lets you customize a folder like that. There are phones that allow you to enlarge folders, but they don't typically allow you to extend them like that. So I think that's a really cool feature. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.